Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Jovenal Narcisse, and for today we're going to unbox some items that I bought a few days ago from the shopping mall. We have here a bag full of champion shirt items. As you know, I've been looking for the perfect white shirt for the past weeks, and I came across with this brand on the internet, and I found out that this particular brand, which is Champion, has a store at the SM Megamall in Mandaluyong, Metro Manila, which is located on the ground floor of the Fashion Hall at Megamall Building B. So 2 days ago, I visited said store and I was able to buy some items from that store. So without much further ado, I'm going to open this bag and we'll find out what is inside. By the way, the Champion brand store, brick and mortar store located at Megamall, started to operate last October, sometime in October 2020, and they are being staffed by two ladies. I met Angel and Honey, and they are very nice, very accommodating, and they allowed me to fit on these t-shirts, and they are very kind and courteous in allowing me to fit these white shirts. So if you want to take advantage of this brand, look for Angel and Honey at the Champion store at SM Megamall. I got actually 4 white shirts. We'll start with this first one. It says Champion 1919. Actually, in 1912, the Famed Bloom brothers, they are Bill and Abe, created this brand, Champion, because at that time, these brothers thought of coming up with fabric or clothing wear which is exclusively for schools, colleges, and universities. These are the uniform or sportswear uniform that their team or teams use in the said colleges, high school, and universities. Whether you have a basketball team, track and field team, volleyball team, or any kind of sports team, these colleges need a sports uniform for their athletes. And these brothers, Bill and Abe, thought of coming up with a company brand which will cater to this kind of market. So they started in 1912 in Rochester, New York, USA, and they come up with these uniforms for physical fitness, sports, and so on. So they started in 1912, and later on they found and created this brand which is called Champion in 1919. So being my first shirt on Champion, I got this shirt. It cost me, how much this? 1,850. By the way, these are not the ordinary sports champion wear that you see in the United States, because there are different categories of champion wear. We have the sports wear and we have the heritage wear. And this shirt that I'm holding right now is their heritage or vintage logo shirt. And this one came from Japan. So basically, this is a Japan made brand or a Japan made shirt, and they call it the Japan line of the Champion brand. So we have this 1919 shirt. The second one, by the way, I have medium as my size. If you want to see if this is legit, you can see these tabs. So written in Japanese. These are written in Japanese. So there, and you have this tab, and of course you have also the care tabs here. This shows that this piece is not a fake. These are legit. Of course, if you buy from an authorized distributor or their brick and mortar store, automatically these are original pieces or legit pieces. The second one is an ordinary shirt with the C logo, but still this is a heritage line and a Japan line at that. So you can see there is a lining or thread of blue all throughout, and you have the tab, and this is cheaper, 1,350, and my size here is another medium. And you have the usual logo on the left arm sleeve. Okay, the material is thick, very supple and comfortable. Okay, there's a second shirt. This is the third shirt that I got. This is their pocket shirt with pocket on the left breast, and the size is large. This is also a shirt on their Japan line together with this. This is also a Japan line. Basically, all the shirts that I bought, white shirts, are Japan line from Japan. So here we have the pocket, the usual logo on the left sleeve. We have the tab, and this is 1,850. Made in Japan. So this is size large. By the way, the Japan line sizes are small. That's why I got the bigger size. That fits me. This is a 20 inches to 21 inches width, okay, measured from the armpit, from one armpit to another armpit. And the last one, this is the very popular fabric, the Champion. This is the heritage or the vintage logo that they have. This is written at the front breast, Champion, and this is what they call the double reverse weave. Is that, I mean, the reverse weave t-shirt. This is a heavyweight cotton. By the way, all the shirts are 100% cotton. So this is made in Japan, very legit. And this one is 3,350. Okay, so this is their one of these more expensive white t-shirt. It's very thick. The reason why they created this reverse weave by Champion is that there was a problem of washing this uniform in bulk, and the result for their first fabric then was there was a tendency for the cloth to shrink, and to solve the problem of shrinkage, they were able to discover the double weave clothing. I mean the reverse weave clothing. So because of the reverse weave clothing discovery, they were able to solve the problem of shrinkage after washing their school uniform or sports uniform. So these are the white shirts that I bought from the Champion brand. Okay, and I was told by Angel and Honey that this year there are more models which will be available in their store, and they're about to come early this year. Single pocket on the breast, and then this white t-shirt with the C logo on the left breast, and of course the original Champion 1990. So these are all Japan line white shirts, and of course this reverse weave is the thickest of them all. Very comfortable, very supple, and this will be shirts that I'll be using, especially here in the Philippines, which is really humid and hot. So I hope you were able to appreciate these four kinds of white t-shirts that are available and I bought from the Champion brand. As a reminder, this is not the Champion sportswear which is readily available in the United States. These are a different category of Champion brand wear which are made in Japan. So if you like this video, please check like, and then if you haven't subscribed this channel, please subscribe this channel, and if you have additional information or comments about this video, please say so in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day. Bye.